Did you just start out as a realtor? Maybe you've been an agent for 2 years, 10 years. What price would you pay for 10 video lessons that showed you the secrets and strategies to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in the next 12 months? Let's face it, there's 1.5 million agents in the United States. Most of them are struggling. What would it be worth to you to have a game plan to be the absolute best agent in your area? To be the person that every home buyer and home seller comes to represent them. Stay tuned and find out. Hi, my name is Jeff Marcus. I've been a realtor for only 4 years, but in the last 12 months, I've made over $400,000. I've also been named one of the top 100 agents at Sotheby's. Top 100 agent out of 19,000 is top 0.5%. The great thing about my success is I know next year I'm going to do even better. Know this, I am not smarter or more hardworking than anyone else, but I know that when I started out, I decided I was going to do things differently because I watched everyone else doing the exact same thing. And I thought to myself, if I do everything the exact same way, how can I be better than everyone else? After I started to succeed, I looked around me at other agents who were struggling and frustrated in my office, and I decided to put together Realtor Wizard. Realtor Wizard is 10 in-depth, nuts and bolts, step-by-step lessons to show you exactly what I did to succeed so that you can succeed. When I started out as a realtor, I told my manager right away that I was not going to build my sphere of influence and bother my friends and family for business. I was not going to knock on doors. I was not going to make cold calls. I was not going to stuff my neighbors' mailboxes with cards, trying to get them to do business with me. And the last thing in the world I was ever going to do was join the PTA or march in parades just for business. What kind of an agent do you want to be? Do you want to be smart? Do you want to be proud? Do you want to be successful? Do you want to be wealthy? The only way to do that is to do something different than what everyone else is doing. And that's what I can offer you with Realtor Wizard. This is what I want you to be thinking about for yourself in the next 6 months. Over 20 active listings, most of them multi-million-dollar listings. I understand that there's a lot of people telling you that they can tell you how to be a successful realtor. All I can say is that I've done it, and I can show you exactly what I have done to be successful. Unlike courses taught by Brian Buffini, Tom Ferry, Ryan Serhant, that cost you thousands and thousands of dollars because they're never ending and there's always another course to take. And it's going to take you months and months to finish. Realtor Wizard is a one-time small fee, and then you'll be able to complete Realtor Wizard in 1 week and get started. That means you can get started making money the next week. Realtor Wizard is not motivational courses or speeches. Realtor Wizard is not a broad brush approach about how you should do real estate. Realtor Wizard is 10 in-depth courses to show you specifically the things that you need to do to succeed. Stop being uncomfortable and ashamed. Stop banging your head against the wall. Stop wasting time and money. Get started today. Do this. I promise you, you'll be happy.